The first question is, what is design? So, uh, if you want to design something, then you first know about the application of the component.
Okay.
Okay. Application is given by customer
Yeah.
on a working, and after better knowing application, you can design a component based on working condition, based on manufacturing processes. Okay. So
Yeah.
how can you calculate sizing of the component? Suppose, for example, customer give you task to design a shaft.
Just design what, sorry?
Custom customer
System. Yeah.
mhm, customer give you a task for design a shaft which can
Design.
transmit
I
a
don't know. What design? What, sorry?
shaft
What's that? Start.
shaft SHIFT
SH.
shaft.
Can you show me? I don't know where you start this.
Uh, I'm just typing in chat box. Just a second. Which is must be able to transmit a 160 Newton into meter. Look, you get a database from customer. Customer requirement is we need a transmission shaft which is able to transmit a load of 160 Newton into meter torque.
Yeah.
Okay. So on this parameter, you can calculate the diameter of the shaft, okay,
Yeah.
lifespan of the shaft, okay,
Yeah.
then geometry of the shaft.
Yeah.
Here, material selection is play important role in this design.
Yeah.
So, in this consideration, the process in which you get the dimensions of the shaft is called design.
Yeah.
Design after creating a design of the shaft, you want to manufacture this shaft.
Yeah.
Okay? So you are not working on the machine. You are just a make a design.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but you want to manufacture this shaft and deliver a technical representation of this shaft is called drafting.
Yeah. Like technical drawing.
Mhm. Drafting is the technical and detailed presentation of the design. It involves creating accurate and precise drawing or plan based on design, provide the necessary information for manufacturing or construction. From the drawing, a worker who are working in machine better understand your requirement and deliver your component. Okay?
Yeah.
So now you can better understand difference between design and drafting. Are you have any question or doubt
So
about
so
this?
so so what did you say? What's the difference between the is it isn't drafting like technical drawing, no?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
While design is
Because
the
I use the
okay,
software called KTR V5.
in
Have you heard of
KTR,
that
you
software?
can also make a 3D model and drafting.
Yeah, yeah. Then drafting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm saying.
So while you 3D model in KTR,
Yeah,
okay, so before prepare a virtual model, you must have a dimension of the virtual model. Okay?
yeah,
So The process to find out the dimension of the component is called design.
Yeah.
Okay? And after design, while you want to manufacture the component, then you prepare a technical representation of your component. It's called drafting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, are you understand
Yes.
about
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
difference between design and drafting?
Yes. Yes.
I give a short introduction about CMS IntelliCAD. Mhm. CMS IntelliCAD is intelligent and powerful and affordable full-feature CAD software provide, providing extended customization. CMS IntelliCAD offer a full suite of 2D and 3D AutoCAD compatible drawing tools. Okay? CMS IntelliCAD developed by CAD Manufacturing Solutions, which is USA-based CAD software development company since 1995.